Okay, students, problems in discrete rules of science show that the equation x to the power of 7 plus 5x power 6 minus x to the power of 3 plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 has at least two imaginary roots. Show that the equation x to the power of 7 plus 5x power 6 minus x to the power of 3 plus 7x plus 2 is equal to has at least two imaginary roots. So imaginary roots options at least two here. Show that the equation has at least two imaginary roots. At least two imaginary roots. So given equation f of x is equal to x to the power of 7 plus 5x power 6 minus x to the power of 3 plus 7x plus 2 plus 2. First calculate positive roots. So positive roots means here sign is plus, here plus, the sign is minus, plus. Here first calculate positive roots. Here sign is plus, minus, plus. Number of sign changes, plus, not change. Plus to minus, sign changes, 1. Minus to plus, sign changes, 1. Plus to plus, no change. So number of sign changes 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, number of positive roots is equal to 2. Number of positive roots is equal to 2. Number of sign changes plus to minus, sign change. Minus to plus, sign change. Number of sign change 1, 1. So number of sign changes 2. So number of positive roots is equal to 2. Number of positive roots is equal to 2. Next calculate negative roots. Next calculate negative roots. In negative roots, calculate f of minus x. In negative roots, calculate f of minus x. Minus x power 7 plus 5 into minus x whole power 6 minus x whole cube plus 7 into minus x plus 2. That is equal to minus x power 7 plus 5 into x power 6 minus into minus plus x to the power of 3 minus 7x plus 2. Sign minus, here plus, minus, plus. Number of sign changes plus to minus 1, plus to plus, no sign change. Plus to minus, sign change 1, minus to plus. Number of sign changes 1, 2, 3. So number of sign changes 3. Therefore, number of negative roots is equal to 3. Number of negative roots is equal to 3. Number of positive roots is equal to 2. Number of negative roots is equal to 3. Suppose real roots, at most 5 real roots. Suppose options, find real roots. At most 5 real roots. At most 5 real roots. At most 5 real roots answer. Imaginary roots is equal. Here degree is 7. Real roots is 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to. So imaginary roots. At least two imaginary roots. Okay. Pause. At most 5 real roots. Imaginary roots is equal. Here degree 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 imaginary roots. At least two imaginary roots. At least two imaginary roots. At least two imaginary roots. Next question. Next problem. Number of real roots of x to the power of 4, number of real roots of x to the power, number of real roots of x to the power of 10 minus x power 7 plus x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. Number of real roots of first option at most 5. First option at most 5. Second option at most 4. Second option at most 4. Second option at most 4. Third option at most 3. At most 3. Fourth option at most 2. Fourth option at most 2. For number of real roots of x to the power of 10 minus x plus x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. First option at most 5, second option at most 4, third option at most 3, fourth option at most 2. First calculate positive roots. This is f of x. This is f of x. Positive roots, sign plus, here minus, plus, plus, plus. Number of sign changes, plus to minus 1, minus to plus 1, plus to plus, no sign change, plus to plus. So number of sign changes, plus to minus, minus to plus. Number of sign change 1 plus 1, 2. So number of positive roots is equal to 2. Number of positive roots is equal to 2. Next calculate number of negative roots. Number of negative roots means next calculate f of minus x. F of minus x is equal to minus x whole power 10 minus x whole power 7 plus minus x whole power 5 plus 2 into minus x whole power 4 plus 6. Minus x power 10 sine plus x power 10 here plus x power 7 minus x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 6. Here sign is plus, plus, minus, plus, plus. Number of sign plus 2 plus, no sign change, plus 2 minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, plus 2 plus, no sign change. So number of negative roots is equal to 2. Number of negative roots is equal to number of positive roots 2, number of negative roots 2. So answer is at most 4. At most 4. Answer is at most 4. Here sign changes, plus 2 plus, no sign change, plus 2 minus, sign change, number of sign changes 1, minus 2 plus, number of sign changes 1. Therefore, number of negative roots 2, number of positive roots 2. Answer at most 4 real roots. Suppose imaginary roots. Here degree is 10. Real roots 4. Imaginary roots is equal to 6. At least 6. At least 6 imaginary roots. At least 6 imaginary roots. Okay. There's some problems in discrete rules of science. Next concept. Newton's method. Next concept. Newton's method. Next concept. Newton's method for assigned powers of roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. Next concept. Newton's method for assigned powers of roots of the equation. So given x power 4 plus p1 into x cube plus p2 into x square plus p3 into x plus p4 is equal to 0, given equation. So first compare always coefficient x power 4 or coefficient of, suppose start with coefficient x power 4, coefficient is 1. Suppose given equation start with x to the power of 3, so coefficient x cube 1. Suppose given equation start with x square, coefficient is 1. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ ఫస్ట్ ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి చూసుకోవాలి. మీరు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలాంటి మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ 1 ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా 1 formula 1 S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. Where S1 is here degree 4. Roots are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Next, second one only. Second one S2 plus S1 S2. Next S1. Then before S1 P1 plus 2P2 is equal to 0. Second one S2 plus S1 P1 plus S0 plus 2P2 is equal to P1. Next P2. 2P2 is equal to 0. Where S2 is, where S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. S1. Next S2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. S2. Next third one S3 plus S2P1 S2P1. Next S1P2 plus 3P3 is equal to 0. ఒకసారి ఆర్డర్ ఎలా రాస్తున్నా చూడండి. S1 plus P1 is equal to second one S2. Next before S1 P1 plus 2P2 is equal to 0. Next third one S3 plus S2P1. Next S1P2 plus 3P3 is equal to 0. Where S3 is equal alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus delta cube. Next S4 plus S3P1 plus S2P2 plus S1P3 plus 4P4 is equal to 0. This is the Newton's method, formula of Newton's method. S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. S2 plus S1P1 plus 2P2 is equal to 0. S3 plus S2P1 plus S1P2 plus 3P3 is equal to 0. Next S4 plus S3P1, S2P2, S1P3 plus 4P4 is equal to 0. Where S4 is equal to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4. S4 is equal to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4. So formula of Newton's method. సో మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ 1 ఉండాలి చూసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ P1, కోఎఫిషియెంట్ x కు P1, కోఎఫిషియెంట్ x స్క్వేర్ P2, కోఎఫిషియెంట్ x P3. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ P4. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. S2 plus S1 P1 plus 2P2 is equal to 0. S3 plus S2 P1, S1 P2, 3P3 0. S4 plus S3 P1 plus S2 P2 plus S1 P3 plus 4P4 is equal to 0. if alpha comma beta comma gamma delta are the roots of x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 minus 7x square plus x plus 6 is equal to 0, then alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4. Find alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4 is S4. Find S4. Find S4. Find S4. So compare the given equation with x power 4 plus p1 x cube, x power 4 plus p1 x cube plus p2 x square plus p3x plus p4 is equal to 0. P1 is equal to minus 1. P1 is equal to minus 1. P2 is equal to minus 7. P3 is equal to 1. P4 is equal to 6. So comparing the given equation with x power 4. So here coefficient x power 4 is 1. So మీరు ఏదైనా ఈ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తారు కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి. సో x power 4 compare given equation x power 4 plus p1 x cube plus p2 x square plus p3x plus p4 is equal to 0. P1 minus 1, p2 minus 7, p3 1, p4 6. First s1 plus p1 is equal to 0. When direct s4 calculate చేయడం first s1 calculate, first find s1, next s2, next s3, last s4. s1 plus p1 is equal to 0. s1 plus p1 minus 1. So s1 is equal to 1. Next calculate s2. Next formula s2. Next plus s1 p1 plus 2p2 is equal to 0. s2 plus s1 1 p1 minus 1 plus 2 into p2 minus 7 is equal to 0. So s2 is equal to 15. s2 is equal to 15. s2 is equal to 15. Next s3 plus next formula s3 plus s2 p1 plus s1 p2 plus 3p3 is equal to 0. Next s3 plus s2 p1 plus s1 p2 plus 3p3 is equal to 0. s3 plus s2 p1 plus s1 p2 plus 3p3 0. s3 plus s2 15 into p1 is equal minus 1 plus s1 1 into p2 minus 7 plus 3 into p3. Here p3 is 1 is equal to 0. S3 minus 15 minus 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies S3 is equal to 15, 7, 22. Minus 22 plus 3. Minus 22 plus 3, 19. S3 is equal to 19. S3 is equal to 19. Next. S3 is equal to 19. Next S4 plus S3 P1. Next S2 P2. Next S1 P3 plus 4P4 is equal to 0. Plus 4P4. S4 plus S3 19 into P1 minus 1 plus S2 15 into P2 minus 7 plus S1 1 into P3 1 plus 4 into P4 6 is equal to 0. S4 minus 19 minus 105 plus 1 plus 24 is equal to 0. Last S4 is equal to S4 105 19 105 19 124, 124 minus 124 plus 25 minus 19, 99. So S4 is equal to 99. So answer is S4 is equal to 99. S4 is equal to 99. Next problem. If alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 6, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 14, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to 36, then alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is equal. Alpha power 4 plus, find alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is equal to S4. Find S4. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 6. Here S1 is equal to 6. Alpha square, beta square, gamma square, S2 is equal to 14. Next, alpha cube, beta cube, gamma cube is equal to 36. Find S4. Previous problem P1, P2, P3, P4. Find S4. Here S1, S2, S3. Find S4. First formula S1 plus P1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 6. 6 plus P1 is equal to 0. P1 is equal to minus 6. P1 is equal to minus 6. Next, S2. S1 P1 plus 2 P2 is equal to 0. S2 14 plus S1 6 P1 minus 6 plus 2 P2 is equal to 0. 14 minus 36 plus 2 P2 is equal to 0. 14 minus 36, 22. 22 minus 22. 2 P2 is equal plus 22. So P2 is equal to 11. P2 is equal to 11. 2 P2 is equal to 22. P2 is equal to 11. Next one. Next formula S3 plus S2 P1 plus S1 P2 plus 3 P3 is equal to 0. S3 is equal to 36. S3 36 plus S2 14 into P1 minus 6 plus S1 6 sorry, S2 14 S1 6 P2 11 plus 3 P3 is equal to 0. 36 46 are 84 plus 66 plus 3 P3 is equal to 0. 84 36 66 well 102 102 minus 84 102 minus 84 8 18 minus 18 plus 18 plus 18. So 3P3 plus 18 is equal to 0 implies 3P3 is equal to minus 18. P3 is equal to minus 6. 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 Next S4, final S4. S4, 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 S4 plus S3 P1 plus S2 P2 plus S1 P3 plus 4P4 is equal to 0. S4 plus S3 36 into P1. P1 is equal to minus 6 plus S2 14 into P2. P2 is equal to 11 plus S1 6 into P3 minus 6 plus 4P4 here 4P4 P4 is 0, no P4 0 is equal to 0. S4 minus 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 18 to 216 minus 216, 14 into 11 44, 154 minus 36 is equal to 0. Here P4 is equal to 0. 216 36 12 4 5 252 minus 252 154 8 8 9 4 48 148. S4 is equal to 148. Okay. Okay, students, calculation mission. Sir, మీరు try చేయండి problem. P3 minus 6. S4, what is S4? S3 36. S4 plus S3. S3 is equal to 36 into P1. P1 is equal to minus 6. 36 into 6. 6 is 36. 8 into 21. 216 minus 216 plus S2. S2 is equal to 14. 14 into P2. P2 is equal to P2 is equal to 11. 14 into 11. 154 plus 154 plus S1. S1 is equal to 6. P3. What is P3? P3 is equal to minus 6. P3 is equal to minus 6. 6 into minus 6 plus 0. Minus 36. S4 is equal to 216. 216 36. 12. 4 5. 252. 252 minus 250 plus 154. So 8. 8. Here 14. 9. 98. Answer is minus 98. S4 is equal to answer 98. S4 is equal to 98. Okay, next problem. Next question. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation. Are the roots of the equation x to the power of 3 minus 7x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then the value of alpha power minus 4, beta power minus 4 plus gamma power minus 4. Then the value of alpha power minus 4 plus beta power minus 4 plus gamma power minus 4. So calculate alpha power minus 4, beta power 4 minus 4, gamma power minus 4. Alpha power minus 4, beta power minus 4, gamma power minus 4 are the first f of 1 by x calculate. The given equation, put x is equal to 1 by x. Put x is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x whole cube minus 7 into 1 by x plus 7 is equal to 0. 1 by x cube minus 7 by x plus 7 is equal to 0. One minus LCM is x to the power of 3. 1 minus 7x square plus 7x cube is equal to 0. So 7x cube minus 7x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So here coefficient x is 7x cube, but coefficient is always 1. So dividing by 7, x to the power of 3 minus x square plus 1 by 7 is equal to 0. So compare the given equation with x to the power of 3 plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 is equal to 0. Here p1 is equal to minus 1. Here no x term, p2 0, p3 is equal to 1 by 7. Next p4 is equal to 0. P4 is equal to 0. Here p1 minus 1, no x term, p2 0, p3 1 by 7. Next p4 0. First alpha power minus 4, beta power minus 4, gamma power 4. First calculate f of 1 by x. Next calculate s4. Next s4. First s1 plus p1 is equal to 0. S1 plus p1 minus 1. So s1 is equal to 1. S1 is equal to 1. Next s2 plus s1 p2 plus s1 p1 plus 2 p2 is equal to 0. Students 1 minute on the problem middle agipod meer chain complete cheyandi problem. S4 calculate cheyandi. S2 plus S1 1, P1 minus 1 plus 2 into P2 0. Okay, S2 is equal to 1. Next S3 plus S2 P1 S1 P2 plus 3 P3 is equal to 0. S3 plus S2 1 into P1 is equal to minus 1 plus S1 is equal to 1 into P2 is equal to 0 plus 3 into P3 1 by 7 is equal to 0. S3 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 7, that is equal to 4 by 7. S3 is equal to 4 by 7. Next S4 plus S3 P1 S2 P2 plus S1 P3 4 P4 is equal to 0. S4 plus